When you're using ChatGPT or another large language model, you're going to get the best results if your prompt follows a framework. Generative AI works best with comprehensive instructions, and by using a framework for your prompts, you can get the best out of AI every time. Let me show you the framework that I like to use. My framework is called Pillars. And the pillars is an acronym. It stands for persona, intent, layout, limits, audience, requirements, and style. And I find that I don't necessarily need all 7 of these pillars. It's like a stool. If you've got 3 legs, it's going to be stable, and more is better. But really, if you're not getting good results with your prompts, look to these pillars and see if adding some of them in could help you get better results. Now, I'll give you an example of a prompt that uses the pillars framework. Okay, so let's say I'm going to be a fitness trainer. All right, I'm going to make a persona. I'm going to define who's speaking, and I want the LLM to act as a fitness trainer. So you are a fitness coach creating a meal plan for a beginner, right? The second, the intent. What's the goal? What do you want this AI to do? Design a 7-day meal plan that balances protein, carbs, and fat for muscle gain. You see how specific this is getting? It's going to be more effective because I'm taking the time to decide what it is that I want out of this prompt. Layout. How do you want it to look and be formatted? You can tell the AI to do it according to your preferences. Organize the meal plan as a daily table with meal times and descriptions. So that way, all I got to do is look at it and say, oh, this is exactly what I'm doing. The limits. What do you want it not to do? Constraints concentrate creativity. And so if you articulate good limits, you're going to get much better results. Like this, keep each meal description under 50 words and avoid using exotic ingredients. The 5th is the audience, who this is for. The LLM is going to create a very different response if it's for one type of person versus another. And so the audience is young professionals with limited cooking skills. You see how it would give a different output in a meal plan if it was doing it for executive chefs? By having it be young professionals with limited cooking skills, there's constraints there. The requirements. What has to be included? Like daily calorie counts. And are we aiming for a specific calorie count here? Let's just go ahead and set this up in the beginning so we don't have to fiddle with it later. And then finally, the style. What's the vibe of this response? And this example is make the tone encouraging and beginner friendly. And so it creates this prompt. You're a fitness coach creating a meal plan for a beginner. Design a 7-day meal plan that balances protein, carbs, and fat for muscle gain. Organize the meal plan as a daily table with meal times and descriptions. Keep each meal description under 50 words and avoid exotic ingredients. The audience is young professionals with limited cooking skills. Include daily calorie counts and adjust meals for a 2,500 calorie diet. Make the tone encouraging and beginner friendly. And you see how this framework, it forces you to figure out what is it you really want here. And that's the human benefit to using a framework. The AI benefit is the AI gets all the information it needs in order to provide you with a satisfactory result. But what it does for the operator is it makes you think through your request. And when you can better articulate your request, then you're going to get better results. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on using the Pillars framework. If you create anything good with it, then reach out to me on social media and let me know. Have fun out there.